filled up nicely for this fight card on a Sunday morning. Right-handed, down goes the champion. Finally, the right hand puts Solis on the canvas. 6.
Matapos ang matagumpay na laban sa Amerika, ay nagdesisyong lumaban si Viloria sa harap mismo ng kanyang mga kababayan dito sa bansang Pilipinas. Gustong bigyan ng impresibong laban ang mga Pinoy, ang laban na kung saan ang IBF World Light Flyweight title na hawak-hawak ng isang kilabot ng Meksikanong champion ang balak kunin ni Viloria bilang regalo sa mga kababayan niya. Nangyari ang laban noong April 2009. Ginanap ito sa Araneta Coliseum. Ito ang pinakaunang laban ni Viloria sa Pinas at isang world title pa. Pinadayo niya ang magaling at kilabot din ng Mexican defending champion na si Ulysses Solis. Galing sa 10 sunod-sunod na panalo itong Mexican champion at ang 3 pa dito ay mga Pinoy. Ito ay sina Rodel Mayol na tinalo ni Solis via 8-round TKO, Bert Batawag via 9th-round TKO at Glenn Donaire via unanimous decision. Kaya naman gustong risbakan ni Viloria itong si Solis para sa 3 kababayan niya na nabigo na talunin itong Meksikano. Ito din ang pangsyam na pagdepensa ni Solis sa nasabing titulo. Kaya naman buo ang kanyang kumpiyansa na dumayo sa baluarte ng mga Pinoy. Inakalang dagdag sa listahan lang itong si Viloria sa mga Pinoy na tatalunin niya. Pero di papayag itong si Kabayan na may bansag na dahawayan punch na ipahiya siya sa harap mismo ng mga libo-libo niyang kababayan sa gabi ng bakbakan. Buo din ang loob niya na kaya niyang lapain itong Dayong Mexican. 28 wins, 1 loss, 2 draws ang defending champion na si Ulysses Solis, habang 24 wins with 2 losses naman si Viloria. At sa mismong gabi ng laban ay talagang maaksyon na suntukan ang pinamalas ng dalawa. Parehong matapang at palaban, pero ilang beses tinamaan ng mga solido itong Mexican champion. Madaming beses na alog hanggang di na talaga kinaya ng defending champion ang kamao nitong Pinoy nang matamaan ito ng kanan sa panga. Di na ito nakatayo sa bilang, kaya naman panalo si Viloria via TKO at nakuha ang titulo sa harap mismo ng mga tagahanga nito. Matagumpay ang unang laban niya sa bansang Pilipinas. Impresibong nagpamalas ng lakas at tibay sa harap mismo ng kanyang mga kababayan at tagumpay ding narisbakan ang mga Pinoy na tinalo nitong Mexican.
Viloria, Ulysses Solis.
They've been giving instructions in the dressing room, touch gloves. Mouthpiece. Changed everything last year. Things weren't working. And he went with a new training camp up in Oxnard above Los Angeles.
He will face the uppercut of Solis.
2 nicer guys you won't find.
Great representatives for the sport of boxing.
Good right hand from Viloria right there. Solis smiles, so it hurt him quickly. And then another right hand staggered Solis. Viloria going in quickly.
Their own fight quite yet if you're Solis, and he's got nailed with a big left hook.
Right, Philippines. Left hook.
Been enough here in round 1. There's the right hand.
7 o'clock in the morning to get used to this. And as he comes right back out doing what he did the first round, trying to really load up, dismissed with an uppercut. He's boring in on Solis on the ropes now. Good shot to the body. Viloria just letting it all hang out.
I would say you were wrong, but it has been.
Well, the right hand landed as you said that out. And as you mentioned, that flurry on the ropes really exposed Viloria.
Jab very effectively early on. Viloria and Donaire coming back, youngsters, so this crowd very interested on it. Wow, there's that right again by Viloria. They've had their moments early on, and Viloria ranked number 1 of 38, 39, and 5 combined. So he hasn't been in against great competition, but that hasn't hurt him in this match. He has jumped right in and really done a great job.
The left hand just really caught Sosa's attention. And now
he's kind of got to recalibrate what he does in the ring now. The edge. Viloria's right is better than advertised, and those are things he's got to.
Than we saw a few years ago. For sure.
Another hook by Viloria.
He has the right hand over the top. command of the ring.
Brian Viloria is, of course, the
Movement now. Instead of boring straight ahead, now he's trying to really turn this thing around.
He did not throw many combinations earlier.
Changing on the inside right there. The lead right from Viloria.
Brian Viloria continued to land those very good right hands. That was one of his better moments in round 4. My all, that
Quick right.
Oh, wow.
Right off the bat, got Solis in trouble. Viloria came out and just banging away. Just cut him. Solis is cut. But not only is he getting beaten, he's getting beaten up now. Just on the outside, you know more about these, Al, about what the position of the cut is. It probably won't hurt his vision. Literally smelling blood over here, and a little fist pump. And Solis has tried to go to the body. There's another combination. Uppercut, straight in.
Jabbed it. Oh, wow.
Oh,
Very
wow.
good. I'll take a point away. Perhaps he won't this time. That was a big break for Solis because,
Round for Viloria.
Very effective. Solis isn't timid about going to the body. And another low blow. Wow, you've got to take a point away.
Too low, and that's a sign of frustration. There's another one low.
Well, the interesting thing is most guys are a little daunted to go downstairs when they've had points taken.
Viloria just floored straight in. Solis has certainly got his attention with the low blows because
It was an eventful round to say the least. There was the first low punch that brought the grimmest.
round 6. We'll see how Solis reacts. They stop the bleeding.
This thing is be the opposite.
And you mentioned it, round 6. Long way to go. And the Aranata Coliseum in Quezon City in 1975. And we got a thriller again in Manila.
He is doing very well. By far. Given his 6th round. Another one below the waist.
Nice job.
You're gonna have to
right hand. Again. The Viloria right hand expected from him. I thought I heard in the rounds had you actually given him the championship. This fight, so what about Viloria, his late round tendencies, and he's getting hit in combinations. Solis is turning.
That's something they wanted to do earlier. But Ulysses Solis mounting up
Here. Good to try to counter.
There's
There's a left hook.
And that's the
There it is. And he turned it to the left eye now. Solis is bloodied over both eyes.
I'm not sure I'm completely
He gets me as a tough round of score. He says he is all. Good uppercut from.
Viloria has been, for the most part, counter-punching. Starting to go to that body a little bit more. Viloria has found a home for those bodies going downstairs.
You can see combinations he's trying to land. Solis left hand, and he gets Viloria in trouble.
That was almost a knockdown. Uppercut after Solis had landed his own good right hand. So both men landing big shots, and they are so conscious of the fact that in a couple of his failed championship attempts, there have been drop-offs in the last part of a fight for Viloria.
And that was the difference in that fight. Good right hand. Viloria giving it to the top. Another right hand and follows up the left hook.
Action with his own jab.
And it's been tremendous stakes for both fighters. Just making a change in the individual.
Solis getting hit with these big punches, but hanging in there.
Here in part of the champion. Look at him now. He's throwing again.
Viloria with a freight train right, and then following with the left hook afterwards. That was early on in the round. And I'll tell you, those
blood streaming from the right hand.
many chances to win this fight.
Another right hand. And you got to wonder about the extension. Because he's got a hard Orion. Now, Viloria boring in. The champion's on the ropes. Viloria got to be careful.
He's hanging in there.
Viloria must get out of that corner. Well, Solis tried to do some damage, and he did land a cut. All the credit in the world due to the champion.
That's great boxing.
And right into the round 11, Viloria walks across the ring and throws a left hook.
And this is what you get. You know, this is as good a boxing match when they are. I'm Viloria.
Right. On a Sunday morning. Right hand, and down goes the champion. Finally, the right hand puts Solis on the canvas. 6. Watch it, that's it. Brian Viloria has won the world championship. One more time. Just solid on the jaw. No doubt, knees buckle. Solis took him a couple of minutes to get up off the canvas.
Is the new IBF light flyweight champion of the world, the Hawaiian Punch, Brian Viloria.
Everybody loves a comeback.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.